So this video is for my nigga Sutton. You know what I'm saying? This one's all for you, Sutton. Let's see. Where should I start, man? Alright. I know I'm gonna start with Sutton. It all started last year. Wait, was it last year? No. This year. No, wait. No. Fuck. Hold on, wait. Damn it, I do too much cocaine for my health, man. I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. But Sutton wanted a video off for himself, and I'm like, all right, man, I can take a break, you know what I'm saying, because the Hamilton insecurity, you know what I'm saying, they stopped watching me for a little bit, you know what I'm saying. I'm paranoid, I'm looking up every like 20 seconds, you know what I'm saying, because Ron gonna walk back in here with his little whip and stuff and start beating me on the back like I'm Kunta Kinte if I don't get back to these dishes. But I'm saying, Sutton, this was all for you, you know what I'm saying. Keep snorting cocaine, and then you'll get a body like Clayton. Well, actually, you already are snorting cocaine with me. You already do got a body like Clayton. But never mind then. That's all good then, you know what I'm saying. We all ripped over here, you know what I'm saying. Sutton on steroids. Was I not supposed to say that out loud? Anyway, that's besides the point, you know what I'm saying. But Sutton got the hook up on steroids if you want it, you know what I'm saying. I know everybody's been looking for a steroid dealer, like they got weed dealers out here, you know what I'm saying. Because you ain't never find a steroid dealer out in Arizona, like niggas just standing on the corner like, nigga, you want some steroids? Nigga, what? No. You know what I'm saying, but you know what I'm saying, Sutton got the hook up, you know what I'm saying. He got the roids for the low. But you know what I'm saying. Shout out to my dude Sutton, you know what I'm saying. He be in the weight room getting it every day, you know what I'm saying. Non-stop, don't quit, you know what I'm saying. Quit smoking, quit drinking. That's my dude. I fucks with you for that, Sutton. I fucks with that, Sutton. I fucks with that, you know what I'm saying. But you know what I'm saying, keep doing your thing, keep listening to 90s rap, bring it back. I'm saying that Tupac, that Biggie, you know what I'm saying, that Wu-Tang Clan, that the Loonies. You know what I'm saying? I keep going on and on and on, you know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying? Do your thing, and keep Carla happy. Okay, I was going to go somewhere with that. Well, I just got into a fight about that with Jalen earlier, so I don't know if I should go there. Because some people are sensitive, getting talked about their girlfriends and shit. You know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying? When I come back to school, though, Sutton, I'm saying I'm going to give you some dap, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to show you some love. You know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying? Stay up. Ron's back. Stay up.